Okay, so we are beginning our spiritual journey from 29th of March 2020 to 29th September 2020, sorry. Progression of devotional service right from April. The beginning was in March, as you can all see. It's a lovely slide. April, May, June, July, August, September, 6 months. That's half a year. Lovely.
I'd like to add before you continue.
Yes,
special thank you to thanks to Dayalu Govind Prabhu for putting in all his efforts in making these wonderful slides. Thank you so much, Hasuba Mataji, for also all the detailed record that you have kept in all these months, and that has been very valuable because we can really look back and see how we have actually progressed. So thank you, Hasuba Mataji, again, and thank you, Dayalu Govind also.
Yes, Mataji, thank you. I would also like to thank Sia Mataji because she helped me. Initially, I had not started writing, so she gave me a few notes. And Akanksha and Aditi Mataji as well have helped me when I was missing a date or something. And before I start, I would just like to tell everybody that because we are short of time, we have not included everything. We have just, I've just mentioned the major events, but that doesn't mean that we don't talk about the kirtans and everything we have had. So I cannot not mention the kirtans, the communal kirtan in the beginning and then the family kirtans. We have had some of the best family kirtans. For example, on 12th of July, Revati Kirti Mataji and Arjun did a brilliant bhajan and dance together. And then we have had melodious family kirtans by Dayalu Prabhuji and Pramila Mataji, Santosh Prabhuji, Manna Mataji, the Limje family, Dikshitain family, my family, Akanksha and Aditi, Amruta Mataji, Priyarani Mataji. So it's been wonderful, but we have not mentioned the kirtan because then the entire thing was getting too lengthy. So, and I also want to say that we also have our own Krishna theatre. We have our own Dhruv Maharaj, we have our own Vaman Dev, we have our Prahlad, we have our own different aged Bal Gopals, and not to mention our own Brahmaji, and more performers. So that's an achievement. We have our own theatre going as well. All right, I'll start now. So 29th of March 2020, first trial at 7:30 p.m. Kirtan. So we did the evening Kirtan. Then on the 30th of 2020, on 30th of March, 8 a.m., first class of Srimad Bhagavatam began chapter Canto 2, chapter 4. The process of creation, it has 25 verses. And on the same day, we had our first Kirtan as well at 8 p.m. 3rd April, first family Kirtan by Dayalu Prabhuji and Pramila Mataji. Then on 5th of April, His Highness Gopal Krishna Goswami Guru Maharaj came for our Zoom meeting and talked about the importance of chanting. He always does that, as Mataji mentioned in class today. He does it because it's so important, the power of chanting. 8th April, first performance by GV Family Rock Band, Chant Kirtan. It was beautifully done, very well done, and we all enjoyed it thoroughly. And it also inspired all of us to also give performances for family Kirtan. Very inspiring, yes. 15th April, GV did Chit Chor Leela. And it was brilliantly done, and we all enjoyed it thoroughly. Mataji playing the chor. It was good. We all had good fun. Then 21st of April, we actually ended chapter 4. So that was our first achievement. We completed an entire chapter on Zoom. 22nd April, GV Kirtan, Mataji's Kirtan dedicated to her respected mother, Radha Tera Shyam Dekha. And Mataji sang beautifully and we all loved it. 26th April, but before 26th of April, I have forgotten to mention that on 24th of April, we had a Rath Yatra from GV, and it was brilliant. Mataji inspired us all to pull the rope and invite the Lord into our homes and into our hearts. And it was, everybody enjoyed it. Then on the 26th of April, we had our Sri Gokul Anand Mela. Every year we do it in such pomp and such, we do it so well, but this year, unfortunately, we had to do it virtually. So we had, it was also Sri Radha Shyam Sundar's birthday. Again, we had His Highness Gopal Krishna Goswami Guru Maharaj. He came to visit us because he also visits a Gokul Anand Mela every year. Devki Nandan Prabhuji joined us from Nilachal village as well. There was Kirtan by Revati Kirti Mataji and family. And then we had this unusual thing we did. Mataji called it Jai Shri Ram Chain. It was made as a set where all of us together held a piece of paper with Jai Shri Ram written on it. And on the spot painting activity where everybody drew what was on their mind and later showed the drawings and explained what the painting meant. And I remember, sorry about that. And I remember Jatila Mataji had drawn a cake because she wanted to eat the cake. And she couldn't. So then everybody joined in. Yes. Oh, 30th April to 5th of May. We had Nashima Katha by His Grace Ras Acharya Das Prabhuji and Nashima Arti by different devotees every day. That was most interesting. 6th May, morning class, we all shared our insight on Nashima Katha. Whatever we had observed, each person talked about what the person had observed and what they felt about it. Evening, Nashima drama by GV family. Again, it was good fun. 9th May, evening, we started Srila Prabhupada's videos after Kirtan. That was the first evening with time with Srila Prabhupada. 10th May, evening, Vrindavan Yatra with Revati Kirti Mataji. Very interestingly put together. She worked very hard at it. And it was like actually being in Vrindavan. 11th May evening, continuation of the yatra. Then 13th May, in the evening, we had Barsana Parikrama with Rang Bhushan Prabhuji. And it was really wonderfully put together. We really enjoyed it. He had lots of slides and photographs as well, just as Revati Kirti Mataji also had. Then on the 14th, 15th, and the 16th of May, we did the Harinam chain of prayers for speedy recovery of His Grace Braj Hari Prabhuji, who had taken ill. Then 18th May, Shri Govardhan Yatra with Revati Kirti Mataji. Again, these yatras were really brilliantly put together and we thoroughly enjoyed it. And all the devotees who have never been there actually felt that they have visited the Pavitra Dham. 20th May, we had a transcendental home game and we enjoyed it thoroughly, everybody. Yes. 21st of May, Radha Kund Parikrama with Revati Kirti Mataji. And as always, she did wonderfully well and we enjoyed it thoroughly. On 23rd of May, His Grace Hari Prasad Prabhuji's talk on the definition of Bhakti. Then on the 28th of May, evening game, the aggregate of all numbers with Revati Kirti Mataji. That was good fun, I remember. 29th of May, we ended chapter 5 of the Srimad Bhagavatam. And everybody was so happy because we were getting our certificates as well. 30th and 31st of May, presentations by all on both days. In the evening, certificates for all. We had Shraddha Mataji perform a beautiful dance to Sri Guru Vandana. There was kirtan and there was cake cutting. All our celebrations always have cake cutting, remember that. 1st of June, we began chapter 6 of the Srimad Bhagavatam. Purusha Sukta confirmed, 46 verses. 2nd June, Pandava Nirjala Ekadashi, we had a 13-hour non-stop kirtan. And I remember we also prayed for my brother-in-law on that day because he was having that huge surgery. And with the mercy of all your prayers, he's recovered very well. 5th to 12th of June, Jagannath Priya Natakam. Wow, that was wonderful. We all had such a good time. And I played Brahmaji. I enjoyed it thoroughly. And Dayalu Prabhuji, Santosh Prabhuji, Revati Mataji, everybody was participating. It was lovely. Enjoyed it. 13th to 16th June, Jagannath Utsav continues with Jagannath Ashtakam recitation and meditation on each verse daily. 16th June, completed the Srimad Bhagavad Gita with Mataji. I believe Mataji and Siddharchana Mataji had been reading at GV. So we completed the Bhagavad Gita as well. On the 21st of June, we had solar eclipse. So Harinam Kirtan from 10 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. non-stop. Very inspiring, everybody participating. 22nd of June, Gundicha Marjanam explained. Again, another week of fun. 26th of June, started the serial of Narhari Sonar and story of Pandharpur Yatra. 30th June evening, reached Pandharpur. We also celebrated Dhruv Prabhuji's birthday, cake cutting once again, and dancing at GV. Sri Darchana Mataji, Matu, everybody. I think Sankalp Mataji was also there. Yes. 1st of July, Sayana Ekadashi evening, did Pandharpur Yatra and darshan of Mangala Aarti and Abhishek of Sri Vithala. Vithala. And Jai Shri Mataji sang a beautiful Vithala Kirtan as well, I remember. 8th July, completed Srimad Bhagavatam, chapter 6. So we were given topics for presentation. Evening, everybody jubilant, powerful Kirtan by Mataji, I remember. We really enjoyed that evening. 9th July, evening, presentation by devotees. Theme song by Dayalu Prabhuji and Pramila Mataji as well. 10th July, we began chapter 7, scheduled incarnations with specific functions, 53 verses. Evening theme song, Das Avatar Stotram. 11th July, evening drama by Bhaktilata Youth Forum, Time and Tide. Okay, Dayalu Prabhuji has added this, written and directed by myself. 24th of July, completed chapter 1 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. 30th July, Pavitra Ropan Ekadashi, Shri Shri Radha Govind Julan Yatra begins. Evening, 7:30 p.m. started Julan. That was great. Everybody got a chance to do the Julan. Then Balutsav, reading from Krishna by Sachilila Mataji on Putana. Krishna film, first episode on Putana. 31st of July, evening, Balutsav, bhajan by Rasheshwari Mataji. Reading from Krishna by Shatrughna Priya Mataji on salvation of Trinavrata. She also spoke on Damodar Leela and then Krishna film episode on the salvation of Trinavrata. 1st of August, Ram Katha by Rasacharya Das Prabhuji. Evening Balutsav, reading from Krishna by Jatila Radhika Mataji on the killing of Vatsasura and Krishna film on the same. 2nd August, Ram Katha by Rasacharya Das Prabhuji. Evening, Balutsav, reading from Krishna by Radhika Shyam Prabhuji on the killing of Bakasura. Krishna film on the same. 3rd August, Balaram Purnima, Ram Katha by Rasacharya Das Prabhuji. Evening, 7:30, Julan Yatra ends. Kirtan by Rasheshwari Mataji. We had Bal Utsav, reading from Krishna by Jai Shri Radha Mataji on the killing of Dhenukasura and Krishna film on the same. Shatrughna Priya Mataji read about Balram glories. 4th August evening Kirtan, reading from Krishna book by Sri Darshana Mataji on the killing of the Agasura demon. Krishna film on the same. 5th August evening Kirtan, reading from Krishna by Dayalu Prabhuji on the stealing of the boys and the calves by Brahmaji. Krishna film on the same. 6th August evening Kirtan, reading from Krishna book by Abhijit Charandas Prabhuji on subduing Kalya. Krishna film on the same. 7th August evening Kirtan, reading from Krishna book by Rasheshwari Mataji on the killing of the demon Pralamsura and during the forest fire. Krishna film on the same. 8th August evening Kirtan, reading from Krishna book by Daitya Pawan Prabhuji on Govardhan Leela and Krishna film on the same. 9th August evening Kirtan, reading from Krishna book by Anupama Madhavi Mataji on the killing of the Kesi demon and Krishna film on the same. 10th August evening Kirtan, reading from Krishna book by Revati Kirti Mataji on the killing of the demon Vyomasura and Krishna film also on the same. 11th August evening Kirtan, reading from Krishna book by Krishnamai Mataji on the killing of the demon Arihasura and Krishna film on the same. 12th August, Shri Krishna Janmashtami. Wow, that was brilliant. We had such a lovely time. 4:30 a.m. to 5:15 a.m. Mangla Aarti and Tulsi Puja at Vrindavan, Shri Krishna Balram Mandir. Then 5:20 a.m. to 7:15 a.m. Japa time. 7:15 a.m. to 8:15 a.m. Shringar Darshan Aarti of Shri Radha Shyam Sundar at GV. We tried to log in at Radha Ras Bihariji, but we couldn't, I remember. 8:15 a.m. Srimad Bhagavatam on appearance of Shri Krishna by His Grace Bhima Prabhuji. 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. children's program by Krishna Kids Club. So many children participated. They did shlokam recitation, they did storytelling, they did kirtan, they did dancing, and then there was also fancy dress. 3 p.m. to midnight, presentations, skits, kirtan, drama by Bhakti Lata Youth Forum and ISKCON Goregaon Extension, Julian Yatra and cake cutting at 12 a.m. 13th August, Srila Prabhupada Appearance Day, glorification of Srila Prabhupada, watched part 1 of Acharya film, evening kirtan, more talk on Srila Prabhupada, and we watched part 2 of the film again. 4th August, evening kirtan and part 3 of the film Acharya. 15th August, His Highness Gopal Krishna Goswami Maharaj Appearance Day, glorification of Guru Maharaj by disciples and by Krishnamai Mataji. She spoke very well and we thoroughly enjoyed it. I remember it also went quite late. 16th August, evening, Kirtan and more offerings for Vyas Puja, Acharya film part 4, sorry. 17th August, evening Kirtan and part 5, the last part of the film Acharya. 18th August, evening Kirtan and a film on Mother Ganga, part 1. Very, very nice movie that was. 19th August, evening Kirtan and then part 2 of Mother Ganga. And Mataji has promised to show us these 2 parts once again. 20th August, evening Kirtan and a film on Panch Tattva installation at Mayapur, part 1. 21st of August, evening Mayapur film, part 2. 22nd August, Evening Kirtan followed by a talk on Ganesh Utsav by Krishnamai Mataji. And then we went for Ganesh Darshan and Aarti at Rasheshwari Mataji's house. 26th August, Shri Radhashtami, celebrated it all at GV. 7 p.m. Kirtan, 7:30 p.m. Gaura Aarti and Charan Darshan. 8 p.m. to 8:20 p.m. Radha Sarashanama recitation by Shatrughna Priya Mataji. 8:20 p.m. to 8:40 p.m. Kirtan by Rasheshwari Mataji, Anupama Mataji and Shraddha Mataji. 8:45 p.m. puppet show by Dikshita and Hemangi Mataji, but they had some network issues, so we had to postpone it for the next day. 9 p.m. Bhoga Darshan and cake cutting. 9:15, the beautiful boat festival. Very, very well done by Suresh Prabhuji and Priya Rani Mataji and all the other sevaks. 9:30 p.m. Kirtan by Sachilila Mataji. She sang so well. Rang Bhushan Prabhuji, as always, very good. And Krishnamai Mataji. Krishnamai Mataji was in her element that evening. She sang very well. 10 p.m. end of celebrations, sadly. Yes. 27th August, evening, birthdays of Aditi Mataji and Priya Rani Mataji. The puppet show by Dikshita Mataji and Hemangi Mataji was done on this day. 29th August, Parshvanath Ekadashi and Vamana Dvadashi. Completed chapter 7. Yes, we completed chapter 7 on this day. On an Ekadashi, everybody was very happy. 30th August, started chapter 8. Questions asked by King Parikshit, 29 verses in all. We did special prayers that evening for Guru Maharaj because he was taken ill and we were all very worried. 2nd September, Bhadra Purnima, 27 devotees donated copies of Srimad Bhagavatam. Puja of Srimad Bhagavatam done on a golden throne, and Sankalpa Mataji gifted a set to Suresh Prabhuji as well. Very interesting. We had never witnessed this before, so it was a good thing we all witnessed. 6th September evening, quiz on Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 2, Chapter 7. 14s were formed, Sudarshan, Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra. And the quiz was conducted by quiz servant Revati Kirti Mataji and Dayalu Prabhuji. 12th September evening, game organized by Mataji and Ajay Prabhuji, the rare human birth. A very interesting game, and I can see the smile on Mataji's face because I was so frightened that day. Anyway, 14th and 15th September evening, Mataji explained the first 5 verses of Sri Chaurangraganya Purusha Kashtam by Sri Bilva Mangala Thakur. Very interesting. 16th September evening, singing of the Chaurangraganya. This is so difficult to pronounce. Purushastakam. Mataji talked about the life of Sri Bilva Mangala Thakur and the last 3 verses explained. 18th September, commencement of Purushottam Mas. Evening, chapter 15 of the Bhagavad Gita recited by Shatrughna Priya Mataji. Purushottam Yoga, singing of the Chaurashtakam, and individual explanation about each verse began. A new interactive game also began for the month. 23rd September, end of chapter 8 of the Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 2. 24th September, beginning of chapter 9, answers by citing the Lord's version, 46 verses. 25th September, evening, we had a Natika on different bodies by the Aditi Mataji, Santosh Prabhuji and Sid Archana Mataji. Thank you, Hari Bol. There is lots more, but we don't have time. Hari Bol.